If you are into spirituality and you've stumbled over the topic of manifestation, you should really watch this video, because I'm going to address some really important points that I feel like no one really talks about. So if you are finding yourself, or maybe doing it already, getting into the law of attraction, those guidelines of Abraham Hicks, nice, perfect. But what I want to talk about is that there's nothing wrong with those guidelines themselves. And I I didn't read the law of attraction, but I do think that, for instance, Abraham Hicks, like, that stuff works. I can kind of see that it really works. But in this video, I want to talk about what doesn't work, or what you should know. Because in the past, I always had that intuitive feeling of, I don't want to do that stuff, doesn't feel right. So I never really manifested by myself in the past, or made any videos about it. But at this point, I thought it's going to be very good to do it. The first issue that I want to address is you want to enter, or you're entering, like a field of higher vibration, energetic vibration. But it's always about what you want to manifest. So let's say the object is money, or the woman of your dreams, or man of your dreams, the new BMW, status, prestige, I don't want to work anymore, and all that stuff. All that stuff. You can do it, but it's bullshit. It is, because those desires, they all come from a very low frequency, and actually from the ego itself. I don't want to work, I want to be rich, I want to be blah blah blah, or whatsoever. So the ego is not happy with what is, and it wants to change it, and it wants to use spirituality for it, manifestation. So what's the point? You're running away from something that you do not really accept. So everything feels spiritual, now you're manifesting and trying to get all those things, such as money or whatsoever. But those, money, prestige, it's like low vibration, energetic wise. And you're stepping into something higher. So, like, why do you want to do it? It comes from an egoic place, from the ego itself. And the ego is always bound to, it's stuck in the world, it's bound to the physical laws of the world, but not to something higher. So you take those low vibrational desires, and with something higher, you try to achieve it. So manifesting itself is not bullshit, it works. But if you are here for the long run, if you are not just here to be a little bit spiritual, get some money, or I don't know whatsoever, if you're really here for the long run, if you want to know who you are, then just stop it, because it's going to prolong everything. At least this is how it seems to be out of my perspective. And I don't want you to stop there. I don't want you to stop there. And the imagination of the ego, it's so limited. You can manifest everything, everything. Abundance, expansion of energy, of life. Why do you want to manifest something that is like energetic, an energy so low in vibration. Like, it really doesn't appeal to me. I mean, like, manifesting the $1 million, it's so 90s. It's so old school. But you are here, right now. So, you're always not really here when you want to manifest. You want to get out of it, want to get in a new situation with new objects. It's just the same game of the ego in a spiritual sugarcoat. It's nothing else, really. And true manifestation or actual manifestation for me is just seeing, just being with what is here right now, not running away from it, seeing it, accepting it, and being fine with what is. Opening your heart and then just receiving. Don't ask from that egoic place. Just what I do is I just raise my arms into the sky and just feel, and just receive. And the most important difference is between that kind of, I don't want to say it's the real manifestation, but like an authentic manifestation and all that new age bullshit is, you're just here. You're not asking like a beggar, oh, please give me this or that. You're just here and seeing and already receiving from moment to moment. But you do not ask for something that you want, that you desperately need, even if you try to cover it up. You're asking life to give what you need, what is needed for your growth, for your expansion. And there's so much more than money, status, sex, and prestige. And I would like you to see it, to feel it, to experience it, to manifest it. But don't be a beggar. This is what always Osho used to say. Don't be a beggar. Don't ask for anything. Just be and see how it comes. And you will get everything that you need. Everything.